If you've never heard of AEO, that's okay. But if you ignore it now, your law firm website might vanish from search results, especially with how people are searching in 2025. Most attorneys, they're still chasing page one rankings with SEO. But the real battle today, it's not for page one. It's for being the one answer that AI tools recommend. This new game, it's called AEO, or Answer Engine Optimization. Let's talk about how AEO works. When someone types or speaks a legal question into ChatGPT, Gemini, Siri, or Perplexity, they don't get a list of 10 websites. They get one answer, maybe two. So why should you care? If your firm isn't that answer, you're invisible to that client in that moment. And that's why AEO matters. Here's what AEO is built on. Clarity. Is your content direct and readable? Context. Do you fully answer the question? And trust. Are you cited, reviewed, and verifiable? So, what can your firm do to start showing up in AI? Here are 5 AEO tactics your law firm can implement today. First, create FAQ-style content. Write helpful answers to real legal questions people are asking in your area. What you can do is you can actually take the 10 most common questions that your clients ask you. Then create videos where you answer them and post those videos on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Insta, and other social media accounts. Next, use what's called schema markup. Add this structured data, otherwise known as schema, to your site so AI knows you're a law firm and the types of cases that you handle. This is a special type of code that goes into the HTML of your website. Worried about adding this? Your website developer should be able to help you with this very easily. Next, get more 5-star reviews. Google and AI both reward trusted sources. Reviews, they equal trust. The more reviews you have, the more AI will trust you and your website. Next, include citations on your website. Back up your legal info with statutes, local laws, bar association links, anything that's reputable. Make sure that you link correctly to these outside sources on your website and in your videos. And finally, make your website and voice content voice search friendly. Write like your clients talk. Clear, conversational, natural. Do not use any legal jargon. Explain legal concepts simply. Writing at a 7th grade level will allow you to appeal to the average American. You can use the Hemingway site to check the reading level. Questions about the Hemingway site? Check our description below. Here's the great news. AI, they don't care about how big your firm is. It just wants the best answer. That means small and mid-sized firms can dominate AI search with the right strategy. Using the 5 tips I just talked about, you should be able to. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how AI tools like ChatGPT choose what content to trust, and how your firm can rise to the top of that list. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it, and remember, in a world of AI search, visibility doesn't win, answers do.